This free AI tool can make you $500 daily, even if you've never earned online. Sounds wild? Come along, and I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Welcome to Digital Wealth with AI, turning smart tools into income. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to build a system earning $500 a day.
No tech degree, no fancy setup, just your phone or laptop. By the end, you'll have a clear insight that can help you to literally start today. So grab a notebook and let's build your first AI-powered business together. But wait, before we jump into the how, let's understand why this tool matters so much right now. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a virtual assistant, copywriter, idea generator, and business partner all in one. Most people waste it by asking random questions. But when you learn how to command it with powerful prompts, you can turn ChatGPT into a money machine. Come with me, think of it this way. You bring the idea, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. By the time we finish this video, you'll know how to turn its output into income. Let's simplify it. To make $500 a day, you only need two of this tool, a valuable service or product that people already pay for. 2-1. A system to deliver that value using ChatGPT. Let's explore together the three systems you can start with today. System 1, AI freelancing. System 2, AI digital products. System 3, AI content monetization. Each one can get you to that $500 mark even if you're starting from zero. And the best part? You can mix and match them to create multiple income streams. This is where beginners win fast. You don't need your own website or audience group. You just offer services powered by ChatGPT. This is the assignment you need to do after you finish watching this video. Visit Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook business groups. You'll find people paying $3,000 to $500 to get a catches, blog posts, product descriptions, email copy, and social media captions. Now here's the secret. ChatGPT can do all of that for you for free. Look at what I will do now. Follow me. Let's go to ChatGPT and tell him to do this job. ChatGPT, write a 1,000-word SEO blog post about 10 passive income ideas in this year, with a friendly tone and strong call to action for affiliate products within seconds. ChatGPT gives you polished content that clients will love. You can do 5-10 of those jobs a day, and boom, you're hitting $500. You're not competing with professionals, you're leveraging AI to produce faster, better, and cheaper. Lillian, a friend of mine, used ChatGPT to write Instagram captions for local businesses. He charged $500 per package and made over $1,200 in her first month, all from her phone. Freelancing with AI works because businesses need content, and AI lets you supply it at scale. Now let's talk passive income, my favorite. You use ChatGPT to create digital products once and sell them forever. Digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, printable planners, mini courses, and business guides, and you can sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Selar if you're in Africa. Create a 30-day self-discipline challenge ebook with daily motivational quotes, short tasks, and reflection prompts. ChatGPT instantly builds your content. You copy it into Canva, add visuals, export as a PDF, and list it for sale. Price it at $20. Sell 25 copies daily, you're at $500. No inventory, no customer calls, just digital gold. A lady from Kenya did this exact thing, created affirmation journals with ChatGPT and Canva. Uploaded them to Etsy. In 3 months, she was making around $200. Day, no followers, no ads, no face on camera. If she can do it with free tools, so can you. Here's where things get exciting: building your own brand. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, captions, and video ideas for YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook Reels. One-eyed. Pick a niche. AI tools, digital side hustles, or motivation. Job. ChatGPT for short-form scripts. 3. Use tools like HeyGen, Pika, or CapCut to turn them into faceless videos. Once you start growing, you can earn through affiliate links, sponsorships, Reels bonuses, or ads, and your own products. ChatGPT. Write a 1-minute motivational script about using AI to create financial freedom. Make it sound like Alex Hormozy meets Gary Vee. Post those daily. You'll build traffic, credibility, and income fast. What you to know is that your smartphone isn't just for scrolling, it's a money machine when you combine it with AI. Let's recap your roadmap. We talked about using ChatGPT for freelance services, quick cash flow, create digital products, build passive income, grow AI-generated content, and scale your influence and sales. You don't need to start big, start small. Stay consistent. The goal isn't to do everything at once, it's to start something today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Comment AI Wealth below if you're ready to start your journey. And make sure you subscribe to Digital Wealth with AI, because next week, I'm dropping a full tutorial on how to combine ChatGPT with Canva to create and sell ebooks automatically. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter with AI. The tools are free. The opportunity is now, and it's your turn to build digital wealth with AI.